I dismissed Dev, one of my employees. There were ongoing issues, he was constantly late, and it was impacting the team. Then he made a claim for unfair dismissal.
I don't think it was fair at all. I've been with that business for over 10 years, so when I was dismissed, I couldn't believe it.
Well, we went through the conciliation process. We tried to settle, but we just couldn't reach an agreement. So now we're heading to a hearing.
Dev and Sarah have both arrived early and head into the hearing room to meet Alex, the associate. Alex writes down their names and gives them a chance to ask questions about what to expect. As the associate, it's Alex's job to communicate with everyone involved and help the hearing run smoothly. This large table is called the bar table. This is where you'll sit if you represent yourself in the hearing. Dev is the applicant, so he sits on the right. Sarah is the respondent, so she sits on the left. If you bring a support person, such as a family member or friend, they can sit in the chairs behind you or next to you at the bar table. A support person can help you take notes and find documents, but they are not there to speak on your behalf. Hearings are generally open to the public, so anyone else who wants to observe can watch quietly from the chairs behind the bar table.
Silence please, all rise.
After Dev and Sarah have met the associate, the hearing begins.
The Fair Work Commission is now in session.
To show respect, everyone stands and bows when the commission member enters the room.
This application is under section 394 between Dev De Silva and Sarah's Custom Curtains Pty Ltd.
The commission member sits at the front of the hearing room. They're the one who guides how the hearing is run and decides the case. They are like a judge, so it's important to treat them with respect.
We are here today to determine whether Mr. De Silva's dismissal from his employment with Sarah's Custom Curtains was unfair, within the meaning of the Fair Work Act. That is the question I need to determine. Now, the process for today will...
The commission member will direct the running order for the hearing. Usually, each side is asked to outline their case in a brief opening statement. The applicant goes first, then the respondent speaks. After that comes the evidence stage. This involves questioning witnesses and submitting documents. The applicant is usually a witness in their own matter and will go first.
Mr. De Silva, can you please come to the witness box, please?
Next is the applicant's other witnesses, if they have any. Then it is the respondent's turn to give evidence, and finally we hear from any other witnesses for the respondent. The witness must take an oath or affirmation to promise they will tell the truth before they give their evidence and answer questions.
Please repeat the affirmation after me. I solemnly and sincerely declare and affirm that the evidence I'm about to give in this matter before the Commission will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Thank you. Please have a seat, Mr. De Silva.
The witness sits in the witness box when answering questions. The person asking questions stands at the bar table. There is a set order for questioning each witness. Whoever calls the witness asks questions first. This is called examination in chief. Here we see Dev being a witness in his own case. There is no one to ask him questions because he is self-represented, so the commission member will ask him to confirm his witness statement.
Is this your evidence for the matter?
Yes.
Is the statement true and correct?
Yes.
The statement is Exhibit A.
The commission member then marks the statement and documents as exhibits. This means they are formally in evidence and can be relied upon by both sides and considered by the commission member when making their decision.
Ms. Smith.
Next, the other side can ask the witness questions to test, challenge, or clarify their evidence. This is called cross-examination. After a witness is cross-examined, they can be asked follow-up questions to clarify things raised in cross-examination. This is called re-examination.
Thank you.
The Commission member may also ask the witnesses questions at any time to clarify the evidence the witness is giving. Once all witnesses have given their evidence, the hearing will move to the final stage, closing submissions.